We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. And today I wanted to share with you first some results that a viewer of mine is getting with just only one gold strategy over the last 3 months. He made a total of 13% over the last 3 months with just one gold expert advisor made with StrategyQuant. And let me show you the lessons that he took. So you go on to the top page of my website, you click on programs. This is where I've made some free learning material. Click on start phase 2, and this viewer, this fan made it through all my lessons here, which I've designed to be as quick as possible so that someone could do this during the StrategyQuant trial period and breeze through all of these lessons and make their own strategies. And specifically, the results were made with a gold breakout strategy. And so go through this and use it. And I spent a lot of time making it, so enjoy it and then share the results with me. And you can do that by shooting me an email. All right, so let's continue on. Today's news looks like this. It's all doom and gloom. There is blood in the streets, and when I see news like this, I always invest into my ETFs. I think this is a great time. You're getting things at a discount. You don't know when the bottom is, but whenever I see news like this, it's always just triggers me to go buy something because I know things are at a discount. On the StrategyQuant website, there is a very cool ebook that's available to everybody. Let me show you where that is. Okay, you're going to go into your account, log into it, and then on your dashboard, we're gonna go down to bonuses. So on the bonuses section, we click there on that file, and then here's a step-by-step action plan. And so the name of it is How to Trade Profitably in Forex Using StrategyQuant Software. Very cool book. You guys should read it. If you are reading it, let me know what you think about it. And let me show you one more thing. There is also Algo trading video course right here. Let's click on it. Yep, just had to make myself smaller there, so I'm out of the way here. And you've got this great StrategyQuant X course to go through. It's kind of the book in video format, but it also has some extra things. And then they've done a couple extra things, lesson 7 and lesson 8, which is outside of the book, which they recently put on there. Yeah, but these are great courses to go through, and so definitely check them out. Thanks for tuning in today and watching to the end. Definitely press this thumbs up button, smash it. And hey, thanks for watching. Shoot me an email, shoot me a comment. Love reading them, love getting the feedback. We'll talk to you soon in the next video.